Welcome once again to my channel. Today, I'll be teaching you how best to identify whether an alcohol is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. And that I'll be doing by telling you types of carbon atoms. Types of carbon atoms. Type of carbon atoms. And I want you to understand there are 4 types of carbon atom. Number 1 is what we call primary carbon. Primary carbon. Primary carbon. And what is a primary carbon? It is that carbon atom that has just one other carbon directly attached to it. I'll be demonstrating that. You can see if you have this carbon now is a primary carbon. Even this is a primary carbon. Why? Because it is only this one carbon atom that is directly attached to it. And let me remind you, once OH is attached to a primary carbon, it is automatically a primary alcohol. As you can see here, look at this. As you can see here, OH now hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. This is what we call butan 1-O. So it's a primary alcohol because this carbon that OH is a primary carbon. This is a primary alcohol. Automatically, once you attach OH to a primary carbon, you are a primary alcohol. If you remove OH and attach it here, it's still a primary alcohol. Don't forget this. Number 2 is what we call secondary carbon. Secondary carbon. Now, what is a secondary carbon atom? It is that carbon atom that has 2 other carbon attachments. Now, for instance, the same compound, I will use it. This. You see this carbon or this carbon. Don't forget, primary carbon is designated as 1 degree. 1 degree. A secondary carbon now will be designated as 2 degree. 2 degree. Why are you secondary? Because this carbon is attached and this one is directly attached. 2 carbon attachment. Why are you secondary? You are attached and you are also attached. Now, let me show you something. If you have this, and you attach OH to a secondary carbon, look at this. Don't forget that this first product is called butan 1-O, or simply call it 1-butanol. Now this one now is butan 2-O. Butan 2-O or 2-butanol. It is a secondary alcohol because OH is attached at what? Secondary carbon. Look at where the OH is. Just like here, I put asterisk. Know this. That is the easiest way. Now, last thing we talk about, number 3, we talk about tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbon atom. It is that carbon atom that has 3 other carbon attachments. As you can see in this, look at this. This carbon is tertiary carbon. That is why I call it 3 degree. Once you attach OH to a tertiary carbon, it's automatically a tertiary alcohol. As you can have in CH3C, then OH, then CH3, and CH3. This is a tertiary alcohol, which we call 2-methyl propan 2-O. Then the 4th type of carbon is what we call quaternary carbon. Quaternary carbon. And a quaternary carbon atom is that carbon atom that has 4 other carbon attachments. 4 other carbon attachments, as you can see here. This is it. This carbon now is a quaternary carbon, 4 degree. Don't forget, we don't have quaternary alcohol because a carbon is tetravalently bonded. So please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to drop your question if any. Bye.